Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. I'm very happy that our shop, our neighbor shop, is allowing me to film in their area. This is that 2007 Dodge Sprinter 2500 or Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 with 210,000 miles on the odometer, which I keep reporting you because it's my own vehicle actually, and which was sold to the friend. Big mistake obviously, and the friend burned that automatic transmission in the pieces. So this gives us perfect opportunity, with courtesy of these people, that gives me great opportunity to film, to show you around how it looks when they professionally work on this, how it looks, this whole van, when you remove the transmission. So you can see perfectly all the parts. Here is that two-piece propeller shaft hanging here. Hopefully this will survive, this support bearing. Here you can see electrical connector, which is for that 5-speed automatic transmission. The model is 722.6 and 5. It's a 0.65 in this case. Here you can see the lines disconnected, and this is a rare opportunity to see everything in the back, right? Normally you don't see here the turbo with all these brand new gaskets. I was doing, and I was filming for you, that oil cooler job, which is famous on these. So these gaskets, you can actually see it was all replaced with the bolts and so on. That was part of the job. Here another part, you can see diesel particulate filter with its sensors and so on. This is where it is located. That's actually the part which is taking care of that. This is just another muffler or resonator. So perfect. Let's go and look on the tranny, which is right now on the transmission hoist or stand, whatever you want to call it. It's right here, and you will also see that replacement. So this is, in my opinion, original tranny which came with that vehicle. I was looking on the numbers on it, right? Right now we have this strap here, but that's Mercedes-Benz. This is actually connector I put there 9 months ago. I did complete service on this tranny, and these I did it all the way by the book, right? Everything was changed, filter, the gasket, electric connector. I drained the torque converter, and even it has that drain plug right here. You can see it, hopefully, right there. That's a drain plug. You buy it from Mercedes-Benz. It comes with a very little washer, copper washer. So that was all done. You can see it in the detail, right? Torque converter. Here is that burnt fluid. This was what I discovered when I got it back from that so-called friend. Here you can see missing a dipstick tube. Obviously that was removed, and you nicely can see walk around that. So many of you commenting on the last video, and you guys, here is the shifter, right? Many of you guys ask if I can give you some info. What will be the transmission? Who's supplying the transmission with 3 years? It has a full 3 years and 100,000 miles warranty. So let me show you. This is actually, you can even see how it comes when you order these, and it's, I believe, $4,600 plus the tax. This is how the shop, professional shop, gets it from the company who rebuilds the transmissions in the level that they can give such a high warranty on it. So this is the unit which is coming in it, I hope you can enjoy the details of it. This is the crate, how it comes. It's being moved by FedEx, as you can see it, and it's exchange program. Obviously, they want the old one, they want that core back, because this one will be not thrown away. This will be rebuilt and resold for another, possibly Sprinter, I'm assuming. I don't know how much they are exchangeable. So some parts will be transferred. As you can see, this plug, for example, that's just a rubber plug right here. That will be transferred. But here is another, I believe, the breather. You can see that Mercedes-Benz logo on it, right? So that doesn't have to be transferred, coming with the new one. But here you can see the company who's providing that, warranty for it. They fully warranty. Of course, you have to clean that entire system. There has to be flush of that entire system, and this shop will be performing that work. So again, protection bracket for that. You can see that shifter there, right? If you compare it, start seeing that it's exactly identical. Obviously they are responsible, the Jasper, they are responsible for absolute perfect fit and condition. So you can see all these warning labels. It's a remanufactured in the USA, and that's the company. Here was still the cover. Maybe we can show this, right? Jasper, blah blah blah. So this is the details which you guys requested. You wanted to see, to give you idea how that exchange program, how these repairs work. This is not brand new tranny. I don't think they are even built anymore. This is old 5-speed electronic transmission. I don't think Mercedes-Benz is manufacturing them anymore. So thank you to this shop. I'm very thankful they let me to do this walk around for you guys. I hope this gives you some idea how all this stuff works, and you will enjoy watching this. So thank you, and I will catch you in the next video, which still might be about this 2007 Sprinter 2500. See ya!